So NOI, remember we talked about that term earlier. Anybody know what NOI stands for? I see somebody say, ready? Net operating income. What is net operating income? Anybody? Before I tell you, let me see if you guys already know, because you guys are super smart here. So net operating income, let's see. Yeah. It's your gross income minus, I see expenses, but it's missing a word. Okay, I see operating expenses, but now it's missing another word. Total operating expenses. So one more time, let's see who's paying attention. What is NOI? Gross income. Yeah, minus, yeah, that thing moving fast. Okay. All right, so here's a quick example, and I wrote it down. So everybody write down 24,000. And let's say it didn't put minus total operating expenses. And from now on, we're just going to call that your total, just so you don't have to write that whole thing out. So that 24,000 minus your total of 10,000 is what? 14,000. So that was the simplest way of doing NOI. Thumbs up or give me a quick one if you guys think NOI is pretty simple now. So y'all ready to analyze? Now that everybody know what your NOI is? Because now does NOI means, and I know I didn't talk about it yet, but is NOI 1 month? Or is it 12 months? Can it be both? So typically your NOI is over a 12-month period, right? But you can always divide that by 12 and that'll tell you what your operating income is. Okay. So if you ever see a property and they say your NOI is 18,000, that's typically meant to be over a 12-month period, not a 1-month period. Because if you make the mistake and assume that's how much you make every month, and then you actually buy it real quick because you think the person is stupid or something like that, and then you get in there, you can get your feelings hurt real quick, right? And they're gonna be laughing all the way to the bank. They're gonna be sending you all those emojis, with the crying, the LOLs and the crying faces turned sideways. They're gonna be sending you all. I like that, Marissa.